Welcome to this presentation of PSFK's Future of Retail Report for 2021. My name is Piers Fawkes, based in New York City. I'm the founder of PSFK and Retail Innovation Weekend. I'm excited to take you through the findings today of our Future of Retail Report, a survey that is considered one of the must-read reports in the industry. Known as the most progressive thought leaders in retail, PSFK has been publishing its Future of Retail reports annually since 2010. Thousands of executives have used the findings to activate innovation in the retail channel and along the customer experience journey. This year's Future of Retail report is designed not only to help you respond to the events of 2020, but also to build your business for 2021 and beyond. In this report, our researchers found that the most successful retailers and brands of the last 12 months are those with resilience at their core. These companies invest in people, systems, and infrastructure, ensuring they are connected together by digital information and processes. They also capture data about their shoppers and operations and extract key insights to guide decisions at every level of the organization. They place their customer at the center of everything they do and are always looking for ways to add value to that relationship. And the best of the best embrace a culture of experimentation with a mindset that there's always room to learn, improve, and grow. If you commit to organizational introspection and infrastructure redevelopment now, then your company will be better equipped to thrive within the unknown and unexpected. Before we dive into all of this a little more, let's consider a few things. Shopper priorities have evolved. Original quantitative consumer research that PSFK ran with its polling partner Suzy suggests that consumers have adopted a new normal for shopping, and it's focused on digital. When they do shop in stores, customers expect a fundamentally redesigned retail experience. Shoppers have also switched to resilient retailers and brands. It's unlikely that they'll switch back. Another thing is that the retail landscape has permanently changed. Our researchers also found that the gap between leaders and laggards is growing wider. Digital commerce has shown exponential growth, requiring new capabilities. Navigating ongoing disruption has become the new normal. Lasting success requires what we call resilience. Organizations need to operate on a feedback loop of data and insights. New ways of working and serving the customer need to be adopted. Supply chain, infrastructure, and fulfillment networks need to be adaptable. It's because of this that the PSFK's new report argues that the strategy for 2021 is retail resilience. The publisher Oxford Languages defines resilience as either the capacity to recover quickly from difficulties or toughness, the ability of a substance or object to spring back into shape, to have elasticity. PSFK has found that there are 3 levels of retail resilience, and for the rest of this presentation, I will take you through these, plus the trends associated with them and best-in-class examples that are also found with the Future of Retail 2021 report. Let's look at how the levers of retail resilience manifest. Sustained awareness. Data is your company's most important utility, which means it can't be siloed away. Real-time consumer and operational insights should flow between each department at a constant rate. A trend within the theme of sustained awareness is lifestyle listening. Retailers can extend the customer relationship beyond selling by building an ecosystem of complementary messaging, education, and services that offer value to customers' everyday lives. These lifestyle engagements not only strengthen customer loyalty, but also offer companies critical data and insight about customers' home routines, short and long-term preferences, aspirations, and community ecosystems. Auto brand Jeep is a best-in-class example of lifestyle listening. Within its Badge of Honor mobile app, Jeep is connecting with customers on their off-roading adventures. Designed to act as a game, Jeep owners collect badges within the app as they check into new trials, share vehicle information, and post pictures within the app of their Jeep in action. Based on direct customers' feedback, Jeep was able to update the mobile experience to include new trials and improve overall app functionality. Now, Jeep owners can leave trial reviews and tips for fellow owners directly in the app. Let's now look at adaptive decision-making. Centering agility at the core of your work process will create a culture that can flex to accommodate disruptive shifts and take part in constant testing and refinement of market assumptions. A trend within the theme of adaptive decision-making is iterative innovation. Rather than taking a long-term view of project planning, retailers and brands are adaptive dynamic approaches to their business. deploying, testing, and refining processes across the entire organization to respond to nuanced marketplace needs and opportunities in real time. On the trend of iterative innovation, Kathy Fish, the Chief Innovation Officer at P&G, says,
"We needed to innovate how we innovate because we clearly were not delivering against our growth goals, and we needed to make an intervention. Moving from attitudinal data to behavioral data, the learning is just much more robust and gets you to a better place faster."
Adore Me is a best-in-class example of iterative innovation. Subscription-based DTC intimates company Adore Me is piloting 6 new brands by leveraging its existing internal operational resources. Designed to be tested as they scale, each of the brands are being fine-tuned through trial and error as Adore Me learns how to best fit consumer acquisition models to each brand based on tone, price points, and channel mediums. Let's now turn to modular infrastructure. Rather than investing in rigid coordinations of physical stores, supply chains, and distribution channels, invest in a flexible infrastructure approach that allows you to extend, repurpose, and reconfigure your asset portfolio in the most efficient way. A trend within the theme of modular infrastructure is service storefronts. Knowing that consumers are increasingly taking their shopping habits online, retailers are redeploying their storefronts as extended service centers, offering value-add services such as product repairs, styling, expert consultations, and even gift preparation to help customers with tasks that surround and involve the purchase of their product. Heeson Kim of Nelson Worldwide says,
"Mega flagship stores in major cities with a full line of merchandise are no longer as significant to consumers. Retailers must rethink their real estate strategy and portfolio to attract and retain loyal shoppers. Some stores may not focus on selling products but instead offer relevant programming or services. The key will be connecting with shoppers in a meaningful and authentic way."
Our EI is a best-in-class example of service storefronts. Prioritizing service, outdoor, and recreational equipment retailer REI is expanding its physical footprint across the U.S. with service-focused stores set to open in both Tampa, Florida, and Jackson, Wyoming this coming year. Tailored to each community's regional outdoor experiences, the stores will feature full-service bike or snow repair and maintenance shops for customers to bring their gear, as well as workshops and classes designed for each location. Additionally, customers will be able to take advantage of online pickup in-store fulfillment services, as well as virtual outfitting appointments, one-to-one fittings, and a host of virtual events. To wrap up, brands need to master resilience. They need to understand that data is the lifeblood of the organization, and that the infrastructure needs to be adaptable that allows them to run on a loop of insight and change. This edition of the Future of Retail series of annual reports has been designed to provide a framework to help retailers, brands, and solution providers understand how to build resilience into their retail efforts. Based on innovative retail and customer experience initiatives that have developed in 2020, PSFK analysts have identified emerging strategies that can be leveraged as opportunities. Thank you for your time today, and I hope you found the presentation inspiring. To get a copy of the Future of Retail 2021 report, you can subscribe to our weekly debrief newsletter for just $79 a month, and we will send you a copy. Simply visit psfk.com/debrief.